Hello, friends. Welcome to Film Fiona. Across the world, men by and large tend to place the onus for birth control on women. This despite the fact that condoms and vasectomy are simple and safe, whereas every single contraceptive and permanent sterilization option device for women is complex with serious potential side effects. The situation is troubling in any country, but in India, where the population explosion is a grave threat, it is particularly challenging and has been a long-standing hurdle in the path of the National Family Planning Program. In such a scenario, obviously, a film that promotes condom use is a significant. Writer-director Satram Ramani's Helmet, co-produced by model turned actor Dino Moria, is about a young man who had multiple professional doors slammed in his face and finally, through a series of circumstances, find himself in the condom sales business. The story takes place in a North Indian town called Rajnagar, where the hero, Lucky, Apar Shakti Khurana, is an out-of-luck former wedding band singer in love with Rupali Pranutan Bal, who supplies floral arrangement for sadis. Lucky is running out of the option to convince Rupali's father, Ashish Vidyarthi, that he is a worthy groom. A twist of the fate forces him to peddle condoms, a product he was earlier too embarrassed to ask for at his local chemist shop. The narrative is entertaining up to the point where condoms become money, spinning merchandise for Lucky. From then on, the helmet thins out. We know from the street that Apar Shakti Khurana can be brilliant. We know that about Abhishek Banerjee from Stree and Patal Lok, and Pranutan Bal's screen presence is an evident here as it was in her debut film Notebook. Ultimately, the great acting can only emerge from great writing, direction and editing, and all three are ill served by the script of Helmet, although all three do have their moments in the film. If you have chosen to stick your neck out with a theme like condom use in a country where sex and birth control are still not openly discussed in most families, then it makes sense to go all in. Helmet, however, takes the initial risk but then holds itself back. Although an episode at Bradal featuring a very impressive Anurita Jha makes a mention of men's unwillingness to use condoms since they feel it interferes with their maza, the overriding, overwhelming impression created by the film. The line emphasized throughout the story is that men's shyness is the chief issue. Certainly, considering how sexually conservative Indian society is, it is embarrassing for the average man to visit a store and pick up a packet of condom. It is likely social suicide for a woman to do so at an establishment where she is recognized. In this respect, Helmet accurately represents the Indian reality. Considering the taboos on social discourse about the contraception, it is commendable that the film brings up the subject at all, going so far as to educate viewers about how condom plays a part in preventing sexually transmitted disease. In what ranks as a path-breaking moment for mainstream Hindi cinema, Helmet also acknowledged that sex workers serve as an important role in society. Even the fleeting reference to men using condoms as disruptors of their sexual pleasure is noteworthy for a mainstream film. However, Helmet is careful not to stress the latter point. Minor spoiler in this sentence. In fact, miracles occur only once Lucky finds a solution to the social awkwardness men feel in purchasing condoms, again suggesting that this is the primary problem. Did the team feel they might make the male-dominated audience uncomfortable by rubbing it in their faces that selfishness, apathy, and misplaced notions of masculinity are the main reasons why most men do not like to get vasectomized or use condoms? Or did they lack the skill to explore the intricacies involved and show us how the men of an entire large town were convinced to responsible in sexual reality? The halfway fill pervades the rest of the writing too. The title Helmet, for instance, may. थैंक यू सो मच। ऐसे ही अपडेट्स के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।